Hey everyone, if there's one thing that every home should have, it's the GHome KDO3 Pro Smart Lock, the smart knob lock. It provides 4 different ways to unlock or access your home. There's an app to control it, and installation is very easy. This is the front of the knob. Here is the back of the knob. On those days when you just have a lot going on, you're trying to get out your car, get packages into the house, this lock is smart security made simple. It's no stress. It allows you 4 different ways, as I said, to access the lock: by fingerprint, by passcode, by app control, and of course the physical key. So I'm going to demonstrate 2 of those for you. So here I have my packages. I just hit the knob to activate it, push the code in, and as you can see, I'm in the house. It gives me access. I'm now going to demonstrate that the knob is locked, and you can see I have the app on my phone. So I'm going to show you via the app control. All you need to do is activate or open the app, click unlock, and again I have entry. Every home should have this GHome smart knob lock. Just make sure yours does. All of the information is in the description box, and be sure to use the discount code. Is in the description box as well.